still in Tokyo at this Indian restaurant. I love Indian food. Oh my god, I love it. I look for it everywhere I go. Look at this set. Like, it is beautiful. You got the butter chicken. You got... Hold on, wait. Can I show you this naan though? It's huge. And then you got the 3 types of curry. This is a green. This is like a sweet one. This is a vegetable. I'm gonna eat, so I gotta go. I gotta go. Alright, so we just got done eating, right? And here are my honest thoughts. I've been to many Indian restaurants. I love Indian food. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Keep that in mind with what I'm about to say. I love Indian food. I go to their restaurants everywhere I go in Japan. I look for one. Okay? This one here, the curries were cold. I'm just being honest. Like, they were cold. So, the only thing that saved them on why I did still enjoy my meal, I'm sorry, was the naan. The naan was huge. It was really fresh and they just made it. It was hot. It was delicious. The naan was off the chain. Also, the butter chicken. Listen, they gave it to me cold and it was still absolutely delicious, okay? That's how I know it's good. If it was hot, I can only imagine what it would have tasted like, okay? Okay, the only other thing, it did come with a bar. It came with a bar, and I'm going to show you the bar area in a minute. But do you have a bathroom? I'm going to explain about the bar. So you had your salad, you had salad dressings, you had a little size to add on the salad. I'm sorry, my daughter is laughing. You had drink options, coffee section. They did have like other stuff like rice and soup, I think. The reason why I say I think is because nothing's in the pots. Like, it came with the meal, but there's nothing in the pots. Like, it's empty. Like, so I don't know. The only reason why I know rice is because there's a little sign that says rice. The other thing, they had lassi. If you know lassi, like, lassi is so delicious. I love lassi. Oh my goodness, I love it. I had lassi before. I couldn't do it. But if you're vegan, this would be an excellent place to come to. Most of the dishes are vegan, except for like 2 of the curries had chicken in it. The food was very good. It did come out cold. Also, I ordered a cheese naan. I still didn't get it. Like, I don't know where it's at. Like, and I ate slow, thinking like, okay, maybe it takes time to make, because I know, they make their stuff fresh. I don't know. It just never came. But I'm not gonna complain, because hey, like, I enjoyed my food. The flavors were good. I just wish it was hot. That's the only thing. The place setting, like how they served it, was beautiful. I'll show a picture of that. So yeah, I'd kind of recommend it. Like, hopefully when you come, you'll get a hot meal. This is lunchtime. We got here at 12 o'clock. They opened at 11:30, so yeah. So without further ado, we're gonna go and show you the bar so you don't think I'm making it up. Like, half the bar is empty, okay? Alright, so I tried to get some footage to show y'all I wasn't lying about the empty buffet. I only had salad, and a couple drinks, but the lady shut that down real quick. She was like, "Oh no, care." I was like, "Oh yeah, well I can understand why you wouldn't show it," but like I said, it is what it is. It was partially good. I wish it was hot, but the butter chicken is the only thing that saved it. Like the butter chicken and the naan was outstanding. Like I said, if the butter chicken tasted like that cold, if you can come here and get a hot one, it's gonna be amazing. But yeah, let's head out. We're gonna finish the day, go explore Akabane Akabane a little more and see what this little area has to offer. It's less busy than other areas of Tokyo. Like we visited Shibuya yesterday and it was packed. But this area is still city, there's still shopping and restaurants, so we're gonna explore here and see like, is this like a better option for people with children if they don't wanna the busyness of some of the cities that are here in Tokyo. So we'll keep you updated. Alright, see you. Hey, stop the video. Did you subscribe yet? If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to my new channel. So, in the future, when I release a new video every week, you will get a notification. So please continue to enjoy the rest of the video, and I hope that you are increasing in your understanding of English. See you! Okay, so we just went into these two shops, okay, and they had beautiful, like clothing for women, like scarves and sweaters and all that stuff. So of course, I bought some stuff at both stores. But you know, one thing I really appreciate about Japan, I love it. It's not a bad thing. I just think it's funny because I speak English, so sometimes the names don't make sense. It doesn't match quite well with what they're trying to come across, but it's funny in a good way. Like it's not like bad. But so this store here is called Footwork. However, they don't sell no shoes. It's called Footwork, but they ain't got no shoes in there. Like not one shoe, not even socks. They don't even sell socks. Okay, no stockings, no nothing for the feet. Okay, it's all like dresses and sweaters, but the man was really nice. He had beautiful stuff in there, so just something I wanted to share. I love the titles of Japanese stores and stuff. It's just really funny. So, see you later. All right, so we just finished at Cafe B3, which is in Akabane. And how was your dessert and your drink?
It was really good. It was interesting. Everything was just amazing. The drink, the desserts. This is definitely a place I would recommend. However, if you have a nut allergy, I would not recommend it.
Don't come here at all.
Do not come at all because they had nuts on like everything. Even in the drinks, some of the drinks had like nuts in them. So just be mindful. If you have a nut allergy, then I wouldn't come. Yeah.
It was absolutely delicious. If you like in America, everything is so sweet and sugar based. So if you're like the type that, oh, I like everything so sweet, then probably don't come here because it's just very natural flavored. That does have sweetness, don't get me wrong, but it's not going to be like in America where it's like super sweet. It's going to be very natural flavors, a little bit of sweetness where you can taste everything and just really enjoy it. And also the owners, it's a husband and wife, very friendly, very nice. Like I highly recommend to come here. It's a little spot, but it's very cozy, very clean. They had really good jazz music playing the whole time. They had a bar, so if you like to have a little stronger drink, like a rum, whiskey, they do have many different options for that. They have many different coffees if you are a coffee person. And they grind it right there in the spot. They make all their desserts. It was just absolutely an amazing experience, so delicious. I can't say it enough. Like everything was outstanding.
But if you don't like sweet stuff, probably don't eat at a Japanese a Japanese cafe or dessert spot, period, because pretty much in Japan it's sweet, but it's not like overpowering sweet like American desserts where it's like a bunch of sugar and
Risk
sugar
of
on top of
diabetes every
sugar.
time you eat.
No, it's like more in Japan, more natural sugars, more honeys and things like
Yeah,
that. So
yeah, natural
yeah, they had
sweeteners.
honey in there, like on the dessert,
Mhm.
instead of like sugar, powdered sugar or something.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
Yes, please come here if you visit the area. It
definitely 10 out
hands
of 10.
down.
It was so good that we might come here again tomorrow.
Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna go talk to my husband, and he loves coffee, and I'm gonna ask him if he would like to come. So,
Yeah.
I hope he says yes.
Yep. So.
All right, we gotta hit the road. I gotta get back to the house and cook dinner. So, see.